Windows 8 and Windows Server 8, and I'm going to show you how to set the affinity to a process. And setting the affinity sets a process to use one or more processors that are on a computer. So if you want to get into Task Manager first, just go ahead and right click on the taskbar at the bottom, and then you can choose the Task Manager option. And once Task Manager is up, just go to the Details tab, and from here we can just choose any particular file or executable that we want to change the affinity on, and right click on that, choose Set Affinity. Now in this particular case we just have the one processor, but if you have multiple cores, multiple processors, you'll see those all show up here. So you can set affinity to some executables to use certain processors and other executables to use others, so that way you can get much more efficient use of your processes. Now the only problem is some of the older applications are only set to be able to use the one process. So if you set it to use multiple ones, then it may cause that particular application to crash. So you may want to look up information about the application that you're trying to use to see whether or not it can handle multiple processors or using specific processors and not the default. And that is setting affinity in Task Manager on Windows 8 and Windows Server 8.